What's up guys, my name is Cooper with GilkyTutors.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this awesome new crash strategy that you can run in your sleep and literally make dollar after dollar after dollar. Now first I gotta recommend, if you are not the legal gambling age in your country, please do not try this out, but if you are, this is an awesome way to make a couple of bucks while you sleep. So now first I'm going to be showing you how to plug it into the actual website, and then second I'm going to be showing you the science behind it, all of the mathematics that I did to figure out this strategy. So now let's show you how to plug it into the actual website. So for our bet amount, we're going to be having 1 cent. This assures you that it's going to be super duper low amounts every single time that you bet. So now for our auto cash out, it has to be anywhere over 101 for our auto cash out. We're not going to touch the total bets. We don't have to touch the on-win percentage. And for our on-loss percentage, we're going to be increasing by 1% every time that we lose. So it'll increase our bet 1% of 1 cent every time that we lose. So that is a very, very small amount of money, but every single time you're going to be making at least $1. So now you can change the stop on profit or stop on loss. This will just assure you if you only have like $5 in your account and you don't want to spend it all on this method, you can put it to $2 or $3 or $4 and you'll still get a whole bunch of bets out of that money. So now let me go show you some of the science, the actual mathematics behind this strategy. So here we have our original bet. We have auto cash out at 120 here. Let's go back to 101 because there's something really cool I want to show you. And we have our on-loss percentage. We'll increase by 1% like we have it on the website. So now if you're looking at the strategy, you might notice something really weird. In this profit column over here, every one of the numbers are 1. So no matter when this bet hits, so whenever the rocket gets up to 101%, no matter what bet it's on, you're going to be making exactly $1. Which is really, really cool. I'm showing you here, I'm scrolling down, we're going through hundreds of bets here, and it always stays at 1. So let's go back up to the top. So now let's change this auto cash out. And this is the only thing I recommend changing in this whole equation. So let's go up to 105. So now you can see our profit over here, it's going up a little bit. The total amount that we're spending on bets will not go up at all. It's just the higher you go on the auto cash out, the more money you're going to be making, but the more you're risking because it might not get to that number. So as you can see, let's go down to 100 here. So if you were to do this 100 times, your original bet there would be 2 cents or a little over 2 cents, which is crazy. You can do this 100 times and you're only betting a total of $1.70 throughout all of those 100 bets, which is really crazy, and you'd be making $1 profit if you hit on the 100th one. So let's go down a little bit further. Let's go down to 300 and see what we would be doing here. So here, we're going to be betting 19 cents on our 300th bet. That would be a total of $18.78, and you would make a profit of $1.78. Now for us to get the whole way down here to this 19-cent bet, you would have to lose 299 times in this bet. And statistically, we're probably not even going to get to this 300 number, let alone to this 500 number, which I'll show you next. So it's very statistically improbable that we'll get the whole way here. You'd be betting a total of $143.77, which is not too much in the grand scheme of things, because before this you'd be making so much money that you would never actually get to this 500th bet. Because remember, it resets every time that you win. So let's go back up to the top and let's change around this auto cash out number. So it doesn't honestly matter what you put for your auto cash out amount. That'll just raise the amount of profit that you're getting in this bet. So if we go the whole way up to 150, let's say that for example. So as we scroll down here, let's go to our 100th bet again. You'd be making $2 on your 100th bet, and as you go down it just gets higher and higher and higher, and you're not betting anymore. The only thing you're doing is risking that money because it might not get to that 150 times. So you'd make $71 if this went through 500 times. So I recommend, if you are the legal gambling age, I would recommend going and trying out this method and trying to make some money while you sleep. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you did like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more similar content. And if you need tutoring of any kind, please go to GilkyTutors.com. Thank you.